The black marketing of tickets for the matches of Chennai Super Kings in the upcoming season of the Indian Premier League has already begun even before the official sales. The IPL is set to begin from March 22nd, while Chennai Super Kings will start their campaign on 23rd March against Mumbai Indians at M.A. Chidambaram Stadium in Chennai. Ahead of the season, there's a massive demand amongst fans for CSK match tickets, and they are already listed on several reselling websites even before the official sale. Several fans have also shown their keen interest to buy tickets and have started booking them in advance on these websites at astonishing rates. A popular reselling website, Viagogo.com, has listed tickets for all our CSK matches and several other IPL games. For booking the much coveted tickets for their favourite games, fans are splurging over 1 lakh rupees, with the tickets price ranging from rupees 17,000 to 1,23,000. The highly anticipated fixture between Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians on March 23rd is highly in demand, with tickets prices going over rupees 5,70,000. On the other hand, the highest ticket price for the second fixture between the two most successful teams of the tournament, scheduled to be played at the Wankhede Stadium on April 20th, is rupees 5,13,000. The development highlights the massive craze for the IPL in the country, that fans are willing to pay over 10 times the amount of the official prices to watch their favourite stars in action. In previous seasons of the Indian Premier League as well, fans have complained about the lack of transparency in the ticket selling processes by the teams and also the rampant black marketing, which crushes their hopes to enjoy the stadium atmosphere. So far, the BCCI, IPL Governing Council or the franchises haven't taken any measure to stop the black marketing, even after widespread complaints from the fans. Meanwhile, there is no information yet on the official site of the tickets for CSK's home matches on their website. Hence, fans looking to buy tickets through official channels will have to wait a bit longer to secure their attendance for the action-packed season ahead.